Hello, my name is Jason with English Edge Group. One of my students recently asked me, when does the letter C sound like S, S, or K? K. The answer to this is actually very easy. If C is followed by the letters E, I, or Y, it sounds like S. For example, these first two words, the C is followed by an E. So we have center and celery. In these next two words, the C is followed by an I. So we have city or circus. And in these words, the C is followed by the letter Y. We have currency or cycle. If C is followed by the letters A, O, or U, it sounds like K or K. Cat, carrot, country, column, custom, cup. Now, I'm going to take you back to this word. We have two C's in circus. The C followed by an I is a S, but this C is followed by a U, so it is K, circus, circus. Same thing with currency, C-U, C-Y, currency, currency. And of course, just a little extra, if a C is followed by an H, it's going to sound like ch, as in chalk. If the C is followed by a K, that is a k sound, as in black. Well, there you go. A pretty easy way to remember how to pronounce the letter C. If you found this video helpful, please click like and share. And until next time, my name is Jason. Hope to see you soon.